Start. Slam! Ouch! It hurts. So good. Really? What hurts? So good. Between you and me, can there really be good hurt? If you're asking me, and I think you are, the answer is yes. Lessons, right? The reason we're here? To learn, to grow, to evolve? Suffering. It's a prereq to the school of enlightenment. Ask Buddha. He knows, at least so the story goes. Christ was convinced suffering was the way, so we're told. That's what happened back in the day. All of that, it doesn't really matter because it's just another story. What does matter is today. So let us help the hurt melt away so that we may all enjoy the magnificent splendor of the day. Namaste.